it's Teacher Dani again with another book to share with you today. This story is called There's No Place Like Space, and it's all about our solar system. It's by Tish Rabe, and it's illustrated by Aristides Ruiz. Now look at the cat in the hat. It looks like he's wearing some type of outfit. Maybe this is an astronaut outfit, right? He has a helmet, and I see some stars in the background. It looks like he's flying in outer space. And the two children are flying in outer space too. Let's find out what this story is going to be about. I'm the cat in the hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There is no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Do you see? What is the cat in the hat riding in? It looks like some type of ship, right? Maybe they're going to go to outer space. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high. We can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see, what do you think they're going to see? The planets in our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Wow, there are a lot of planets. Look at how big the sun is in comparison to all the planets. Let's count our planets together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Mercury is close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. So look, you see the little astronaut sweating up here in the day, and then brr, looks like this guy in his bed is freezing cold. On Venus, the weather always is the same, hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here's a clue. It is my home, and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. It is our planet. What do you think it is? What planet do we live on? Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it never will stop. Wow, look at our planet. It looks so beautiful. It has some green and blue. Blue's the ocean, and the green's the land. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, because we're spinning right with it, right now, every day. So our Earth is spinning. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Wow, it's bigger than all the planets. Do you see? It does look pretty big. Saturn has rings. It's so light. Who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. Do you see the rings of Saturn? A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is a beautiful blue. Wow, look at Neptune. Who likes the color blue? I like the color blue. We have seen all the planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say Mallory, Mercury, Valerie, Venus, Emily, Earth, Mickles, Mars, Just, Jupiter, Saved, Saturn, Up, Uranus, 999 Neptune, Nichols. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. Do any of you have the same letters as some of our planets in the solar system? Now here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star, dot to dot. Use your imaginations and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. A dog, the great bear, and Leo, the lion. Taurus, the bull, and a hunter, Orion. So look, this is the great dog, the great bear. This is Orion, the bull, and the lion. There's so many different constellations. They're groupings of stars. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball, and it's hot. And there's one star by far. That's our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star called, any guesses, boys and girls? The sun. From the Earth, it looks big. There is one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt, and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute. 1 million of our Earths could all fit right in it. Wow, the sun must be pretty big if 1 million Earths could fit inside that sun. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon, but first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror, reflects the sun's light. Interesting. So the moon reflects the sun's light. That's why we are able to see the moon. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been to before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called a Lunar Rover. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. See, do you see? He's studying the planet, right? He's doing some research. And they're walking on the moon, right? The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly back up to the stars and take things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. Who do they see up in the sky? It looks like the Cat in the Hat, huh? And they're using this big thing called telescope. It helps see things in outer space. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed this story. There's no place like space. And I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.